If you want to enjoy the full power of modern gaming or get the best graphics performance out of your Windows PC, then keeping DirectX 12 installed and up to date is absolutely essential. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest, most reliable way to download and install DirectX 12 on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Stick around because by the end, you'll not only have DirectX 12 up and running, but also know how to check that it's properly installed so you can jump into your favorite games with confidence. Let's get started right away with the method I always recommend, using Windows Update. This is because DirectX is tightly woven into Windows itself, so installing it manually isn't usually necessary and can even lead to problems. Windows Update handles everything for you, making sure you always have the version that's perfect for your hardware and your system build. First up, let's check for updates. Go ahead and open the Settings menu, just click on the Start button and then that little gear icon, or you can press Windows key plus I as a shortcut. From there, click on Windows Update. Now here, where the magic happens. Click on Check for Updates. Windows will now scan your system and see if any updates are available, and this includes important graphics-related updates like DirectX. Even if you think your system is up to date, it's always worth checking, because these updates can be rolled out at different times depending on your device and region. If you see any updates, especially ones labeled as optional, I recommend installing those as well. Sometimes DirectX improvements or fixes get categorized as optional updates, and missing out on them can cause headaches later, especially with brand new games. Just hit download and install and let Windows handle the heavy lifting. This part might take a few moments, depending on your internet connection and how many updates are queued. If your system asks you to restart, for example, after a big feature update, definitely go ahead and do that. A fresh restart helps ensure all those new components, including the latest DirectX files, are properly integrated and working as they should. Once you're back from the restart, let's make absolutely sure DirectX 12 is installed correctly. This step is really straightforward but often overlooked. Just click on your Start menu and type in DXDiag. You should see DXDiag run command pop up. Give that a click. DXDiag stands for DirectX Diagnostic Tool, and it's built right into Windows to give you a snapshot of your system's graphics, audio, and more. After a few seconds, the System tab will appear by default. Look towards the bottom of that window. There you'll see DirectX version. On Windows 10 and Windows 11, you should see DirectX 12 there if your update went smoothly. If you don't see DirectX 12, don't panic. Sometimes a specific model of graphics card or a unique hardware configuration can make a difference. But for the vast majority of users, following these steps will get DirectX 12 installed and ready to go. And that's really all there is to it. By using Windows Update, you're ensuring everything is secure, official, and working in harmony with your system. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments if you ran into any trouble or if you have another tech topic you'd like me to cover. Make sure to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.